I have over 300,000 followers on Snapchat, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to gain followers on Snapchat following the exact method that I use to get to 300k. And at the end of the video I'm even going to be showing you my exact earnings of how much money you can actually make with 300,000 followers. And trust me, you're going to want to stay tuned for that because I know why you're watching this video and I know why you want to get followers on Snapchat. So first step, getting the followers, but next step, getting the money. And I'll show you both, but first let's get to how to get followers. Now for this section, I'm actually going to be showing you on my phone, so editor, put this on screen, how this all works. So when you go on Snapchat on your phone, you'll see that if you swipe one to the right, you have here what's called Snapchat stories. And if you click on any of these, you can get any of these kind of story videos. A lot of them are people reacting, or some of them are kind of news networks or different things that you could see here. But what most people don't know is if you swipe one more to the right, you can see if I scroll on here, this is basically just the exact same thing as TikTok, just on Snapchat. And this, I think, is the easiest to grow on Snapchat, and it's exactly what I use. So instead of posting to Snapchat stories, which is what most people think you should do, instead you can post to Snapchat spotlights, and that's how I gained all my followers, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now step one is you have to have a public profile. So if you don't already have it, make sure to click on your little Bitmoji on the top left right here, click on public profile, and there should be a button down here that allows you to create one. You can see I've already created a public profile, so I don't really need to. But yeah, that's the first step. Once you do that, if you then record a video on Snapchat that's at least 6 seconds long, so let's record this video right here. If I click send to, you can see that this allows me to post to Spotlight, and that's the TikTok feed that you want to be posting on. Now, I know what you're already thinking, Bennett, what about all this other content that I already posted on TikTok or Instagram and I want to migrate to Snapchat? Do I have to manually post every single video? And I actually had that same exact question myself, because I have 288,000 followers on TikTok, and you can see I have so many viral juggling videos on here. Some of these are 2 years old, and I'm like, how am I going to download and repost all of these to Snapchat and do it all manually and actually do all the posts? The tool that I use is called repurpose.io, and I'll leave it in the description because this has been the best tool I've used with social media. Has gotten me literally over 1 million followers across platforms, got me monetized on Snapchat, and has literally made me thousands of extra dollars from helping me get monetized on other platforms. And basically what it does is it takes all the content on your main platform and can automatically repost it to any other platform you're trying to grow on. So you can start literally for free. I'll leave the link to it in the description. You can literally just click start automating for free and then just sign in with Google because it makes it really quick. And then all you have to do is connect all of your social media accounts, which I've connected all of them here, and then set up workflows between your different social media platforms. So let's say I wanted to take all the existing footage that I already have on my TikTok and automatically repost all of that to Snapchat on a regular schedule. I could just click create new workflow. I could set it to repurpose existing content. So this is content that I've already posted in the past. And then we could go TikTok as the source. Let's go Fly Juggler TikTok, and then scroll down and click Snapchat as the destination and click Fly Juggler. And we can see I can post it as a story or a spotlight. I'm going to choose spotlight here because I know that's what works best. And then I'm going to click on create workflow. From here, it lets me choose how many posts I want to do per day. So let's say I have a huge backlog of content, like hundreds of videos. So I'm like, you know what? I have a ton of content. I can post 4 times a day, and that'll last for 100 days to get all of my content onto Snap. So you can just have it automatically reposting like that. And it'll automatically choose a bunch of different time slots. So the first time slot will be from 9 to 10, second from 11 to 12, etc. And it's filled that out from Monday all the way through Sunday. And then I can just click enable automation. And just like that, every single one of these posts are automatically scheduled to Snapchat. And if I let this automation run, it would just automatically start posting all these videos and go down the list. But I know what you're thinking. What about all the new videos that I upload to TikTok that I also wanted to upload? Well, you can go to settings right here and then change this right here from repurpose only existing content to all content, which includes future content and existing content, which means it's still going to automatically repost all those old videos, but now it's also going to repost any new videos that you record and post on TikTok. And it'll do it automatically for you, so you don't have to do anything. Now, I'm going to turn off this automation for now because I already have one, but that's how it works, and that's how I grew on Snapchat. I literally credit repurpose to like the entire reason that I gained followers at all on Snapchat, because I was not about to go and manually repost every single one of my TikTok videos to Snapchat. I just had the software do it for me, and that's how I gained all the followers. But as I said, monetizing is a completely different story, and let me show that right now. Because while you see that Snapchat Spotlights has a lot of different people posting a lot of different things on here, that's not actually where most people make their money from. Most of them are making it through Snapchat stories, and you can see a lot of people are just posting lots of different types of content. A big style that people are doing is like reaction style content, and that's able to make people a lot of money. And so just so you can see, 592 crystals is $59.2, which means that each crystal is 10 cents. So if I scroll down, you can see this was a day where I cashed out 16,000 crystals, which means $1,600. Or if I scroll down, there were days where I made 3,000 crystals. Again, that equates to like $300, $250 here, $200 here. And so if you get monetized on Snap, again, whole nother story, video coming out about that soon, so make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss the video that I'm gonna make about how to monetize on Snap. It means that there really is a big opportunity to earn a lot of money with Snap. But again, getting monetized on Snap is actually not possible unless you either know someone who works at Snapchat, which you definitely don't since you're watching this video, or unless you actually have enough followers that Snapchat has a chance to verify you. And once you get verified, that's how you have the pathway to actually unlocking monetization on Snap and making a lot of money from the content that you already post. So with that being said, that's how you gain followers on Snapchat. I showed you my earnings. It's probably been around $5,000 to $10,000, but I gave you some examples of real payouts that I've been able to get from Snap. And that all stemmed from the fact that I was able to grow my Snapchat account by having all the videos on my main platform automatically posted to Snapchat spotlights. And once I hit follower thresholds, I was able to get verified on Snap, eventually get monetized. And that's what my next videos are going to be about. So again, if you don't want to miss those, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you want to join a completely free Discord community where we all talk about different ways to make money online, transparently as well, as you saw in this video, most creators will not share all of this related to Snap. Check the description and join that Discord. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next video, and peace.